In this video, we'll be creating a formula to track our progress in Notion. The formula will round our percentage to the nearest decimal place. You can use this function in a range of solutions. The main tool we'll be using in this project is Notion. You can sign up for an account at notion.so. If you go to the page titled Pricing, you'll see that they have a free plan. We're going to be using that. It will be sufficient for much of your personal needs. For convenience, I've timestamped this video in the description. To begin, you'll need to create an account. Click Get Started, and you can sign up with an email or by using Google or Apple. As I've already created a Notion account, I'm going to click Login and sign into my Notion account so we can get started on this project without going through the sign up process with a new Notion account. Upon creating a new account, you may get recommended various templates by Notion to kickstart your journey with the tool. For this project, I've deleted all the recommended templates, reason being I've already created a table to work with in this project. We're going to apply our formula to this table of makeshift goals for 2021. With the new column that we add, we want it to tell us, in terms of a percentage, how much of our goal that we've completed. In this scenario, if we were goal planning, we'd have a rounded percentage telling us how much of our goal that we've completed. The first thing we'll want to do is to create a new column. Change the column type to Formula, and let's rename the column to Fulfilled. And let's move the column in between completed and area. Click into the first cell to begin the formula. We begin with round, and you can find it either by typing it in or looking under functions. Next, we'll want to select a property for our function to assess. Under properties, click completed. Now we want to tell the function to divide the amount we've completed with the amount we've set as our goal. So enter divided by and then the goal property. So far, this function is saying the following: round completed divided by goal. Pretty simple so far. Let's continue with this formula. Now let's tell the function to times this result by 100. So enter times by 100 and then close the parentheses. So far, the function is saying the following: times by 100, the result of completed divided by goal. And let's complete the final part of this formula. Divide the result outside of the parentheses by 100. So you'll simply want to enter divide by 100. Our formula is following the order of operations in maths, PEMDAS, meaning it will calculate what's defined within the parentheses before calculating what is outside the divide by 100. Of course, we want our formula to show as a percentage. To do this, we must click the numbers icon to the left of the fulfilled cell. It shows when you hover over the cell, and select %. The formula will now be working as intended. In the future, you can use this formula in other tables where you want to track your percentage towards some goal you've set. This project is now complete. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this no-code project, please give this video a like. And if you want to be notified of the latest no-code projects that I publish every week, please subscribe. I'll see you in another no-code project.